Hello again. Maybe you can hear me better like this. Hello again. Maybe if I take it all the way off. Hey, I'm getting into the safety stuff. All the dust I've been kicking up, I think I'm going to have chronic lung disease and he has to start doing something. Still working on the house, but it's amazing how work takes divergences. And talking about divergences of work, I've taken on a little bit of history getting my dad's old table saw going again. It's about a 40-year-old Craftsman table saw, and the motor sort of worked, but the bearings were bad on it and possibly the starting capacitor. So I got the sucker all taken apart and I've been replacing the bearings, getting ready to put it back together. Emma's helping me build a bench for my power saw.
It was flickering.
That's good.
It was flickering my whole.
Okay. First take to get my table saw going. I replaced one bearing. It needs another bearing replacement, but the stupid hardware store only had one at the time, so I'll have to go back later. It also needs a starting motor. Not a starting motor, a starting capacitor. So this is what I have to do until I get that replaced. I have a board and a bucket to lift up on the motor to release the tension on the belts. Then I take my trusty pliers, and I'm not saying this is safe or anything, but I take my pliers and hold the belts completely tension off the pulley on the motor. Then with my foot, I get the motor started spinning. And once I get it going good and fast, whoa, okay, I turn the switch and I turn it the wrong way that time, it looks like. Gotta get it going good and fast or it won't cut on. There we go. Okay. Now I got the motor going. Now I can slowly release the belts. Well, sort of slowly. Then I can slowly lift up the bucket.